春卷黃寶寶自從去年同李思捷分咗手之後，屢次傳出復合嘅傳聞。最近佢哋兩個仲先後同異性朋友抱抱，更加成為全城熱話。春卷呢日出席活動，竟然鬧思捷抄橋啊！
其實我前幾日佢呢件事前幾日都有玩過喺記者面前攬住個朋友嘅，咁佢而家有抄橋，咁冇啊，我當笑下算啦。咁
你而家同思捷個關係係點啊
？keep 住係朋友啦，都會即係約下出嚟飲下嘢啊，傾下偈咁樣都 OK 嘅。
復合咧，即係好多
復合，
或者而家係地下情話俾大家知，會唔會係？
咁又唔會嘅，我好 truthful 嘅。如果係嘅話，一定要同你哋講。不過而家都係 keep 住朋友係。
至於同場嘅許靖韻就話最近遇上麻煩，俾人用電話滋擾啊！
佢打完一次過嚟啦，我已經喺社交網絡度打話，如果你再發生呢啲嘅事，我都會即係考慮報警。但係佢其實而家 keep 住每一個星期都每逢公眾假期或者禮拜六日，佢都會打過嚟，都係同一個人。咁其實我覺得我自己會，
我覺得改電話
係啊，即係我而家決定真係要改電話。
Jessica C 喺活動上亦都有現身，講到最近著名時裝達人黎堅惠因為乳癌病逝 ，Jessica C 亦都感到好可惜。
I hope that may she rest in peace, and you know my thought goes out to her family and friends, and also I'm sure she's very respected because fashion editors play a very important role in all of our lives, especially in women's lives.
講到 Kara G 啱啱出世嘅 BB 順利出院 ，Jessica C 都好開心，見到 BB 咁得意，佢都好渴望可以生返個小朋友啊！